Hello everyone, I'm Eva, a representative of SYSTEX Global IT Services. In recent years, the development of international politics, economy, and emerging technologies has brought a new era of industrial trends focused on three key elements: resilience, sustainability, and transformation. Over the past few years, geopolitical tensions have greatly influenced how business choose locations for overseas expansion. This is where the idea of resilient deployment comes in, breaking things into smaller, more flexible units. The traditional end-to-end production system is being replaced by a short train operating model. Through localized and regionalized division of work, centralized management is being replaced. Whether through smart factory manufacturing or partnerships with local allies, this model helps balance geopolitical risks and avoid production crises caused by overly long supply chains. Therefore, IT infrastructure planning for short train operations must take into account, like cloud data centers, cloud applications, network engineering, system integration, data analytics, operation monitoring, and so on. As for sustainability, we have seen ESG topics keep growing stronger in 2025, including information security, net zero emissions, green procurement, and corporate governance. Business leaders are now really focusing on these areas. Among them, cybersecurity stands out as a top priority. According to statistics, as of the end of last year, global cyber attacks hit record highs. Economic losses reached $8 trillion. This highlights how the black market industry driven by hacking is taking a toll on every organization's capital and reputation. What's even more alarming is not only IT equipment, but OT and IoT devices have also become targets of cyber intrusions. To achieve sustainable governance and long-term stability, enterprise must start planning for information security, data backup, and operation monitoring as core IT application services to protect their most valuable business assets and data. As the AI era arrives, many companies are adopting AI to accelerate business development. But how can they connect AI services through API technology? And how can these be integrated into their business systems? This has become a major challenge in business transformation. Key IT factors here include data analytics, software development, multi-cloud management, system integration, and project management. As globalization picks up speed, the key to business expansion worldwide now lies not only in evaluating markets, costs, policies, talent, regional risks, and stability, but also in choosing a partner that offers comprehensive IT services. Founded in 1997, SYSTEX has grown from a systems integrator into an ecosystem integrator, serving as a trusted partner throughout our clients' digital transformation. For over 14 years, we have been ranked #1 in Taiwan's software industry by Commonwealth Magazine's Top 2000 survey. Our service network spans across the Greater China region and other parts of Asia. To help our clients expand abroad, SYSTEX has drawn from hundreds of overseas service cases to consolidate the 10 essential IT services for global expansion. We continue to empower cross-border and cross-domain business sustainability in the new economy. Each service comes with a planning consultant who customizes strategies based on different environments and needs, helping you expand into new markets more efficiently. At this point, you might be wondering what sets SYSTEX IT services apart from local IT providers overseas. In fact, SYSTEX Global IT Services have three major advantages. The first is the variety of service offerings. The 10 IT services we mentioned earlier basically cover all the needs of business going abroad. This saves time from picking and testing local vendors and worrying about service quality. Plus, you won't have to deal with vendors who provide poor service. The second advantage is smooth communication and quick integration. As a data service provider operating in Taiwan for nearly 30 years, we have extensive experience in data application services. We also understand the pain points and needs that business consider IT services. This helps us skip communication barriers caused by cultural differences. The third advantage is business and financial risk stability. SYSTEX is a leading IT service company in Taiwan. In terms of service quality and contracts, we operate with integrity. We are highly trusted and recognized by our clients. This means you don't need to worry about financial risks, like contract breaches or bad debts from local providers. Therefore, if your company needs overseas IT services, you can contact SYSTEX sales team. We will make appropriate arrangements and plans based on your needs. Or if you want to learn more about the details of these 10 IT services, you can also get our Global IT Services Guide, which covers detailed information on these key services. At this important time of digital change, SYSTEX Global IT Services is your best partner to help plan your company's next golden decade. Turning our tech strengths into your business booster. Let's create the future together and achieve excellence. Thank you.